This house is filled with sunshine throughout. This spacious 4-bedroom 2-full-bath home originally built in 2003 by KB Homes. Extreme homeowner pride shows throughout interior and exterior. Carpets continue to look brand new in all areas of this home. Open spacious floor plan with high knockdown ceilings and excessive square footage allows you so many options as to how you decorate. Elbow room for entertaining guests, family and friends. Plenty of space in this backyard for a garden and cookouts, or expand on your screened-in back porch living. Backs up to wooded preservation area. This one-owner home is located toward the back of the subdivision, therefore no excessive traffic to deal with in your downtime. Some of these splendid furnishings are negotiable to purchase with the home and/or aside of the purchase price of the home. Cat condo also negotiable.